The new GE washers are brand new and are GE's best with the most features. But do you really need all of those features? And how does Profile compare to the main rival, LG? The company it designed these washers to outperform. In this video, you'll see features, comparisons, and state of the end where we compare Profile to LG and another more popular brand. The 955 is Profile's largest at 5.5 cubic, while the 870 is a still large 5.3 cubic. Most front loads are 4.5 to 5 cubic. My mom's old Maytag was about 2.5 cubic feet in capacity. So you'll be able to fit almost anything in these machines. We'll check the dimensions of the space in your home because it is a deeper unit at 34 inches plus the vent. Where Profile excels is mold, mildew, and odor control. They coated the gasket, dispenser, and hoses in mold-resistant Microban surfaces. The OdorBlock fan targets and dries residual moisture before it becomes mold. On both units, a sensor is added to automatically activate when moisture is even detected. Both models feature a smart dispenser. You should seriously consider an automatic dispenser on your next washer in any brand. G is amongst the largest and will hold 32 loads, so you don't have to keep refilling, but an auto dispenser will prevent you from adding too much detergent in your wash, which is a big problem in front loads because you only need a small amount. Most people add a ton, like a top loader. Those extra suds will stay in the machine and become a service problem later. Both are smart, loosening the right amount of detergent at the right time. The better 955 washer has what Profile calls Smart Dispense. You scan the QR code on your detergent, and the machine dispenses based on the formulation of that detergent. So your clothes will be cleaner, at least in theory. You have an impressive amount of controls with 12 cycles and 9 options, including steam to pyro it stains, and allergen to kill 99% of bacteria. Both have a reversible door so they can place anywhere in the room, and both are smart powered so you can work this machine remotely through GE's Smart HQ app. You also have the one-step wash and dry so you can leave your outfit, wash overnight, and have it clean and dry for the next day. Difference between these two models is the scan dispense I mentioned previously and additional options. The 955 also has the smart wash and smart rinse feature, which uses a sensor to measure soil and detergent residues who can optimize the wash cycle automatically. The smart rinse detects detergent, it will add another rinse cycle. They also have more adaptive controls, so the machine will remember your favorite settings, and it is available in this new trendy jade color, because I guess you need color in your laundry room. Both machines, as I said, are loaded with features, but how does that compare to LG? LG is one of the most reliable washers you can buy based on 37,000 plus service calls completed by our service department just last year at just 5% versus Profile at a still good 7.4%. LG has their AIDD, so it calculates the wash by the weight and soil level of the clothes. Profile seems similar, as both are based on soil levels. You also get their Turbo 360, which shortens any wash to 30 minutes using 5 high-pressure hoses. Yet the Profile is a much bigger dispenser with 32 row capacity versus 18 for LG, and they have the adaptive dispenser featuring their scan to dispense in the better Profile. LG also doesn't have any of the mold prevention capabilities of GE, so you have to keep that door open to keep the gasket dry. When we compare LG and Profile, we also have to look at the promotions at any particular time because the prices will vary by hundreds of dollars. Service also varies greatly in different areas, so you also want to check in your area before buying either brand. But the main problem to the Profile is the price at $12.99 and $15.49. It's much higher than the average purchase of $6.99 to $1,100 for a front-load washer. In fact, Profile's biggest competitor is its own brand GE. The GFW 655 is not as large at 5 cubic feet, which may be good because it's less deep at 32 inches as well. It does have the Microban and OdorBlock to reduce mold, and also has the 32 load dispenser. GFW 655 is also $200 to $300 cheaper. Just lacks the sensors to detect moisture, the better smart dispensing, smart wash, rinse in a few cycles, most notably the wash and dry cycle. So what do you think? The Profile, LG, or another brand? Want to learn all about the best front load washers? Click here, and thanks for watching.